Shouldn't really be stopping here, but oh man. All right, let's go. That my subscriber Kunga gave me. I met him yesterday in Ravangla. I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. It's gift wrapped and all. Oh, this is a Buddha. This is, I think, the exact same Buddha that's there at the Ravangla Buddha Park. This is so cool. Thank you, Kunga. Let's go to the bike. 1, 2, 6. Pulling you back. Come. Clear. You okay? Cool fish. Now I have to get out of here. Come on. Come on, we can do this. Hero! And then bike goes off. I think so. If we get lost also, it's a good thing. There we go.
After wrapping things up at the Northeast Riders Meet, we had 2.5 days to spare before we had to catch a flight from Bagdogra. I knew that the time we had in hand would not be enough to explore any part of North or East Sikkim. So we came up with the idea of taking a long route to Siliguri through some parts of West Sikkim. It was going to be a bit touch and go, and we would need to constantly stay on the move. But if we managed our time well, we could hit some fun routes and stop at a few interesting places along the way.
Oh yeah! Hello Himalayan road. These are the kind of tracks that are made for this motorcycle. I'm sure inside our helmet Hema is also smiling because we both really enjoy where the road ends, the adventure begins. Not that this is very much. I can't even drop it away. Woo! Woo! You saw that butterfly? This. Come. This is awesome. Let's go. Come shake my hand. Come here, come here. Going to school? School जा रहे हो आप? School? Okay, bye. This is my favorite turn on this route. The off-road stretch to the Tashiding monastery should be effortless. Last year I took the bike all the way in. Yeah, I know, they've closed the gate. Last year I went all the way in, so I thought we could go in. We can walk, there's a monastery here.
Effect of gravity. There's no energy spent only. So recovery doesn't have anything.
Every time we're climbing a slope, Hima has some life gyan that she gives me. Yesterday she taught me that if you climb up a slope backwards, you will get less tired. Now, what are you telling me now?
Now,
Concisely, loudly.
I wanted to try a handstand. Headstand actually, not handstand. And he said, do it now. I said, no, I don't want to do it now because I'm out of breath since I'm climbing up. I'll do it on my way back. He said, why? By then you would have walked much more. You'll be more out of energy.
So my point is that if you spend some amount of time doing something like climbing up a hill, by the end of that you're more tired. Like this. She says you aren't. You'll be less tired when you come back down.
Right, because I'm going up, I'll have my recovery time. Then I'll start walking down. And under the effect of gravity, there'll be very less energy spent. Hence, I'll have more energy to do headstand.
Currently we both have no energy. Let's go up. It says way to the Gumpa.
It's there, it's there. That way, this way. There.
Same distance. So I came to Tashiding last year. You guys would have seen it in one of my videos. But we were in South Sikkim and we just have a couple of days. So we can't go north. We can't go east. Figured we'd come here, do some of the same things again and do something different as well. This bell is something else, and this particular area of the monastery is one of my favorite parts. It's like a maze, and you have prayer stones in all the walls. A lot has changed since when I was here last. Your bags are holding up well. Your crochet work has done magic. Yeah, very well. Hello. Hi. Chalo. Let's go.
From Tashiding, we continued to ride west towards Yuksom. The 23-kilometer distance between these places may not sound like a lot, but it took us more than a few hours to complete. While it was fun to ride quickly through roads that often looked like nothing more than a wide gravel trail, Some of the views along this route are so breathtaking that we simply had to stop and stare. Over and over again. Even though I'd been down this route before, at this time of year, it felt like a completely new and unfamiliar place.
What a view! It's just one mind-blowing view after the other, no? Good stuff. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh, that is so beautiful! Look at that! Oh man! Oh man! Like what? Any thoughts? Oh god, that's just... Now you know why I wanted to come this side and not go to Darjeeling. I mean, we'll do Darjeeling as well, probably.
Yeah, I don't mind as long as we're moving and we watching such things.
This is mad. This is so beautiful. There's a small waterfall, then a big waterfall, then small, big, small. That's like... Huh? There's 15 waterfalls here. Although I guess it counts as one. What is it called? I forgot what it's called. Anyway, let's go. Time to get to Yuksom. It gets dark very quickly around here. So by 5-ish, it gets dark. And it gets really cold. Since we're not wearing liners and stuff today, it's better to just get to Yoksom quickly. If you're coming to Sikkim, you know what you have to do. Come to West Sikkim. Tashiding, selling. Thank me later. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.